Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2014 RG Holden Colorado LS dual cab. This vehicle has sustained damage to the front and rollover damage. This shape ran from the first month 2012 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Aftermarket 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Have the tailgate, rear bumper, factory tow bar, right hand tail light, aftermarket 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Aftermarket 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the right hand power door mirror, right hand power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior, has a tidy center console lid, tidy automatic transmission center console, handbrake lever, factory standard AC controls, has an aftermarket media player, we have the right hand sun visor, automatic transmission 4-wheel drive instrument cluster, also has a black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.